kid going down an incline. All right, let's get this over here maybe. We've got a kid going down an incline, 38 degrees, but they're pulling to the right. So someone is pulling to the right, and so we have a number of forces going on here. So we draw the diagram. The girl has a force of her weight going down, which is mg, right? Sometimes we say force of gravity. But also, the child is acted on by its weight, the normal force of the slide, kinetic friction, and a horizontal rope. How large is the normal force on the slide? It's just asking for the normal force. Now, normally for the normal force, right, it's just going to be the red line. Let me just erase this red line. It's normally just going to be this force that I've drawn as red because it's actually opposed by this. But that is the gravitational normal force. We've got another force going on there, but we can calculate this. So we've got the red line, if you will, and let's change colors for the blue line, because if they're pulling this way to the right, then if you think about it, there also is a upward pull. Yeah, let me erase this red line. There is an upward pull on the girl that I have as a black line right there. And so what I need to do is find out what this is. And so that's going to diminish the amount. And so if this is 30 newtons, we can say force up, how about that, would be equal to 30, and that's the opposite, sine. And this triangle would have the same angle, 38, right? And then the force, the normal force, or the downward normal force, I'll say down, the red line, if you will, would be the weight, mg cos 38. And then what you have to do is decide, is this gonna make her lighter or heavier? And if you think about it, since this force is up and this gravity is pushing her down, you will subtract the two answers to come up with the overall answer.